Hello, and welcome to this introduction to the runtime features of Real Ivy. First, let's open the Real Ivy window right here. And we're going to create a regular procedural Ivy over here. This is a regular Ivy. It works, it spreads over the wall, and we can change the parameters as we wish. And to convert it to a runtime Ivy, simply click in this big green button here. Now it is a runtime Ivy. At this point, if we click play, it will work. You can see it growing in runtime, and it has the same parameters as in this window. Let's see how this runtime Ivy is built. First, we can see these three scripts. They are basically the same as in this window. They are the same parameters. If you want to change some value, you must do here, because the window is not connected with the runtime Ivy. Okay, we can close it. And the new stuff for the runtime is here in this component. The most basic parameters are the lifetime and the speed. They are pretty simple to understand. If you increase the lifetime, it will live longer, it will grow longer, and if you increase the speed, it will speed up. Okay. You can also interrupt the growth, and you can even animate the speed with a curve, enabling setting this on. Okay, you hit here and you can choose a curve. For example, if you use a curve like this, you will see that it will grow slow at first, then speed up, and slow down at the end. We have also a pre-warm feature that allows us to generate the Ivy at the start time of the application. If we put here 50, for example, and we push play, it appears grown up. If we increase this number, it will be larger. Okay. Even if we have the pre-warm activated, we can still grow the Ivy. You see? And finally, we can see this list of presets that we can use to bring back parameters from this window. If we have here a parameter, a preset that we have built, or one of the built-in presets, we can choose it here, push this button, and all the parameters here will be updated. Okay, you can see how they change. Okay, now we hit play, and now we have Liana. Or another kind of Ivy. Or whatever you want. And another interesting feature is that the plugin supports the multi-editing. You can edit at the same time several Ivies. You can do anything. for example this. Alright. If you want to make them different, you have to change the random seed of the IVs that you want to be different. Let's see. There it is. And these are basically the features of the Runtime EV. I hope that you enjoyed the tool. Goodbye.